Hello and welcome back to my class, children. How are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. As we are discussing textbook bits of 8th lesson, The Water Seed. So please take out page number 96. Let's see the B bit. Complete these sentences by adding ly to the words in the brackets. First, Tina sings dash in a bracket sweet. So you have to add ly to the given word. So Tina sings sweetly. Second, Raj danced dash in a bracket beautiful. So you have to add ly. It will become beautifully. Third, the cat purred dash in a bracket lazy. So you have to add ly. It will become lazily. Fourth, the skirt fits Meena dash in a bracket nice. So add ly to nice. It will become nicely. Fifth, it is raining dash in a bracket heavy. So add ly to the heavy, then it becomes heavily. Okay, children, understood? Now let us see vocabulary bit. A. Look at these words and their meanings. So these words are having meanings. So once you see, first one, turned off. Turned off meaning is stopped something from working using a handle or a switch. Second, broke off. Removed a small part from something which is bigger. Third, got off. Get down from a bus, car, train or plane. Fourth, picked up. Meaning is lifted something or someone up. Fifth, gets up. Meaning is get out of bed. Sixth, came in. Went into some place from somewhere outside. Okay? Now let us see B bit. Complete these sentences with the correct words from exercise A. Use the words from exercise A. First, the monkey dashed the branch when it could not reach the berries. Nothing but broke off. Its meaning is removed small part from something which is bigger. Okay, now let us see second. Seema dashed the books from the floor. Nothing but picked up. Third, when Rohit saw his school, he dashed the bus. Nothing but got off. Fourth, Payal dashed the lights and fans before she left the room. Nothing but turned off. Fifth, the children dashed when it started to rain suddenly. Came in. Sixth, Janet dashed in the morning at 8 o'clock. Answer is get up. Now this is speaking bit. Read this sentence. Find water and bring it back to us. So we use short commands to tell a person to do something. Here this bit is of commands. Now let us work in pairs and match the sentences in B with the commands in B. Command sentences in A with the commands in B. Then do a role play with your friend. Now first one, it is going to rain. So where do you match? Here, C. Take your umbrella with you. You have to act. Okay. Second, I am feeling very thirsty. So where you have to match? E. Get me a glass of water. If you feel thirsty, you have to get a glass of water. Next, third, it is very late. So go to bed now. Match to D. Fourth, someone is ringing the doorbell. Option is A. Open the door. Fifth, it is very hot in this room. Can you open the windows? B. You have to match on B. Now spelling bit. Listen and write the words. If I say chief, you have to write the words. Okay? Chief. 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 Village. 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 Mountain, 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 mountain. Sack, 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 sack. Excited, 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 excited. Sixth, fourth, 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 fourth. Okay children, we'll stop till here. So today what we have learned from the page number 96, B bit adding ly, vocabulary and speaking bit, and this spelling part 97. The remaining bits I'll be explaining you in the next video. So till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.